Hey guys, Dante here, and it's time for another video. Hey guys, welcome to week 4 of the geode breaking. Now I picked out a pretty interesting one today. As I was washing this guy, I noticed it has a reddish hue to it. Can you see it? Maybe I will bring it closer a bit. Yeah, I think you can sort of see it. It's a lot more visible when you wash it, when it's wet. But yeah, this is interesting. Now, when I think reddish hue, I kind of go to rose quartz. Now, I have no idea if this is going to be a rose quartz geode, but it is a possibility. Sorry. This cough is not going away. I hate it, actually. Anywho, that is my pre-assessment prediction of this geode. It's going to contain rose quartz. Will that be true, or won't it be? Let's see. Here we go, all set up. Let's get breaking. Here we go. Ooh, this is a clean break. Nice. And we get... what is this? It's sort of similar to the first one. Hang on. Here. I don't know what that is. It's definitely not rock, because I see crystal on the inside. Right there. See the glimmering? Yeah, there's only crystal on the inside. Hey, I'm gonna take this off screen a bit to get a closer look. I think I want to break this a bit more. Maybe if I do it like this. I'm gonna, yeah, like this. Yeah. This is as hard as that other one. On. Oh, right. Okay. That one is hard as rock. Why? Won't. Maybe I use the other end. And I go completely off camera. Yeah. That's not breaking. I have no idea what this is. There's definitely crystal on the inside. I can't get to it. Even the smaller bits that are on it show signs of having crystals, but I can't get to it. Maybe if I break this one. And flip this over. Ugh. Never mind, guys. I can't break this anymore than I have. It's pretty cool with the crystal showing right in here and a bit over here in the crevices. I just wish I knew what it was. Maybe I can find something similar to it in the guidebook. Let's see here. Maybe I can use this to... Okay, guys. I've given up on this. So, here is my end result. I have no idea. It's yet again... which means I can't identify it. There's not enough of the crystals to get a clear definite description of it. And since it's like one solid piece of rock there, I don't know. So that's what I'm going with. This is a mystery geode, and hopefully next week we'll get a more interesting one. Cough. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that bell icon. And I will see you all next time. Bye.